Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard halwa at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of custard powder, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Make sure you also have a good non-stick pan and a whisk ready. This easy method will help you create a delicious dessert that's perfect for any occasion, all in under 30 minutes. Now, let's start cooking. In a separate bowl, dissolve 4 tablespoons of custard powder in about 1/4 cup of cold milk, ensuring there are no lumps. Next, in your nonstick pan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water and heat it over medium flame until the sugar dissolves and a light syrup forms. Slowly pour the dissolved custard mixture into the hot sugar syrup, whisking continuously to prevent any sticking. Keep stirring the mixture constantly over a medium heat. You'll notice it starting to thicken and pull away from the sides of the pan, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it reaches a thick, pudding-like consistency, stir in 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder for a wonderful aroma and flavor. Finally, pour the hot halwa into a greased 8-inch tray and spread it evenly. Let it cool completely at room temperature. Once your custard halwa has cooled and set, which takes about 1 to 2 hours, it's ready to serve. You can garnish it with your favorite chopped nuts like pistachios or almonds for an extra crunch and visual appeal. Then, simply cut the halwa into neat squares or diamond shapes. It's a delightful treat. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.